welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. So for today's video, I'm going to show you an easiest way to get that perfect wing liner which you have always wanted to pull off. Also, if you're new here, make sure you watch my video on easy eyeliner hacks. And as you can see, I've got my haircut. I've got them cut really short and got some highlights as well. And guys, I'm just loving my new look. Let me know, how do you guys feel about it? Do you like me in long hair or do you like this look more? And yeah, back to the video. Let's get started with getting that perfect wing liner. So you get three options for eyeliners. A gel liner which look like this one's from Forever 52. They usually come in a pot. Then you have liquid liners, which we all know are quite tricky or quite difficult to apply. Then we have pen liners like this one is from Tarte. If you're a beginner, I would suggest you guys to get a pen liner. You can buy from Maybelline or L'Oreal or any drugstore brand. You don't need to get a high-end product because they all work the same way, and the method that I'm going to show you works for gel liners and liquid liners as well. Though pen liners works the best when it comes to application and if you're a beginner, but I like using a liquid liner because I get the best application with liquid liners, so I'm going to be using this. So we'll start by creating 3 vertical lines. I'm going to show you how to do that. So take a little product, create a short line in the center, then a medium line, lastly you need to draw a long line, like the longest line of these 3. So we have 3 lines, short, medium and long. Next put a dot here and you need to join all of them together. So I'm going to start with the dot and join it with the short line. And then fill it in. Now to add a wing, think that your lower lash line is extending and then create a dot accordingly, like here, and create another dot here in the mid, this, and now just extend it. Join the dots together, create a triangle. So that's how you get a perfect thick winged liner. Now if you want a normal thin winged liner, then I'm going to show you how to do that. Guys, it's really easy. Also, how you hold your brush or your pen liner also makes a whole lot of difference. So you need to be careful how you hold this. So always make sure you don't hold it like this or this. You need to lay your brush in a way that it just, goes till the end like this. So your wing is the extension of your lower lash line and not your upper lash line. You have to remember that. So I'm just gonna extend my lower lash line, and then in the mid or in the center I'm gonna create this dot, little dot, and I'm gonna join this with the dot. It's really easy, guys. Again, you need to follow the same technique. Just lay your brush like this and join it and fill it in. So that's how we do a normal winged liner, and even after following these steps, if you create any mess, then keep your concealer handy, use it on a concealer brush and clean any mess that you might have created. And yeah, that's about today's video. I showed you 2 ways how you can get that perfect winged liner. Let me know which way you're gonna try it, and yeah guys, just practice it and I'm sure you're gonna get better at creating that wing liner. And follow these steps and let me know if these were helpful for you or not, and let me also know if you wish to see more such short tutorials for beginners. I would love to do that for you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you also turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. And see you next time with a new one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.